Hi, I'm Serena Godin, Chief Product Innovation Officer at Botanicals, and I'm so excited to introduce you to our newest product innovation, Chebula Multi-Corrective Eye Patches. Finally, eye patches with clinically proven performance powered by Chebula. Within the beauty industry, under-eye patches are notorious for being a quick fix and really lack those long-lasting preventative results. We saw that as an opportunity. So much like our best-selling Chebula Active Serum that has both prevention and correction benefits, our new Chebula Multi-Corrective Eye Patches will give you instant gratification with long-term anti-aging results. They're as luxurious as they are effective and are powered by the one and only Chebula. Chebula is one of the world's most potent cascading antioxidants, clinically proven to address 5 signs of aging, while at the same time preventing future damage from happening. Chebula is proven to help with roughness and dryness, fine lines and wrinkles, skin tone, skin elasticity and firmness, and skin dullness. We've also included hyaluronic acid, coffee seed extract, caffeine, and alfalfa, so your under-eye area is plumped, smoothed, and hydrated instantly. The ingredients absorb deep into the skin, making these eye patches a quick fix with long-lasting results. Just 15 minutes is all these eye patches need for the cooling hydrogel technology to get to work. Not to mention the innovative sustainability aspect of these beautiful eye patches, as they're 100% biodegradable and instantly dissolve under warm water. Chebula Multi-Corrective Eye Patches are easy to use, incredibly luxurious and effective, making them a staple in your everyday skincare ritual. This is the gold standard of under-eye treatments, and I cannot wait for you to try them.